Welcome back to Moto Photo Adventures, everybody. I'm Jason, another episode of Fixing Up the T-Dub. But first, this episode is sponsored by the Oaks Private School. If you need a unique way to teach your kids what they need to know before graduating high school and you're on the road, or you have special needs, the oaksprivateschool.com is your global solution. Today, we're going to make it easier to remove a TW200 seat. Currently, if you'll follow me under here, you have to have a 10mm socket and an extender so that you can get these bolts out, which is the only way to remove the seat. So, I was watching Mob Street 83 on YouTube, and he had purchased and was talking and interviewing the guy who sells these quick releases for the T-Dub. TW200 is the name of the company, and I have ordered these, and they are replacement screws and tightening bolts with a lanyard to quick release the seat. So let's put them on and see how it works. And if you're wondering why we're changing them out, that's the reason, because it's a little weird, fiddly to get them out, and then when you're in the woods on the trail and you have this bolt laying in the leaves on the floor in the forest, that's bad. This is better. So the next thing is we hook these key rings to the cables. And then we're going to screw these into the seat. But before we do, we're going to hook this key ring to this fastener. Put this under here. And then take the first one, loosen it, and then just tighten it in just like this until it gets tight. Thusly, and then just flip this up just like that. Let's do the other side. There you go. And that's how you change the seat from being difficult to take off to easy to take off. TW200 sells this product on his website. Got to me in about a week. It's only about 30 bucks. If you ever need to take your seat off fast, that's the way to do it. Now, if you ever get knocked off your seat by someone at no fault of your own, Rick Stewart, scmotolawyer.com, 1-855-GET-MOTO. He's a ADV rider just like us, so he knows what to do in case of an accident. We have a brand new playlist that is the TW200 specific, so go check that out and see all of the little gadgets and thingamabobs that we're going to do and where it goes. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm about to go test out my new seat.